Hello and welcome. Now in this course, we will be discussing how you can create information products that are going to be unique and informative by using AI. The easiest thing to do is going to be, of course, to generate an outline and then to have the AI create each of the points within that outline and then to have a document that you're going to pass over to your customer or turn that document into a video of some kind. Because AI content is derivative and derived from content that's available on the internet, you may not have the full scope of information for your product. The question then is, how do you fill in an outline to give your customer good information? Whether you're creating a written product, audio product, or a video product. And there are tools for organization and production outside of chatbots that you can use. And we will explore those in this course. One of the tools consistently used in order to become part of the product creation process is ChatGPT. And naturally, it has counterparts such as Claude and Perplexity to assist the process in generating content for product creation. But there are additional tools now being created just about every month. One of those tools is Notebook LM that is now being used in the product creation process. Napkin.ai, now being used in the product creation process. Video creators such as Guide allow you to use the AI in order to produce visuals along with the video that you are recording. And visual elements such as DID allow you to create avatars for your projects. There is a video course that will walk you through different processes using AI that you can produce niche-based text, audio, and video for the product creation process. Now, one easy way of capturing text to audio is to use ChatGPT. We are now inside of the free ChatGPT program. And what we're going to do is we're going to dictate to ChatGPT and we're going to use a stream of consciousness method. And so because in some cases you speak in a way differently than you write and can speak with more clarity and with more speed than when you write, you can use ChatGPT to capture that information. Now we are using the basic version. There is an advanced version that does have advanced capabilities, but what you can do is you can click on the amplify button at the bottom right, and you can begin to dictate to ChatGPT. We are going to click continue.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
ChatGPT, I'd like to discuss fundamental marketing principles. I'd like to write an essay based on fundamental marketing principles, starting with unique selling proposition, as well as list building, as well as partnerships and affiliates.
Great starting point. These fundamental marketing principles form the backbone of any solid marketing strategy. An essay on these could be structured as follows. 1. Unique selling proposition. Begin by defining the USP and its importance in differentiating a brand in the marketplace. Discuss how a strong USP can be the cornerstone of a brand's identity and a focal point for all marketing efforts. List building. Explore the significance of building an audience through email and subscriber lists. Highlight strategies for effective list building, emphasizing permission-based marketing and the value of nurturing relationships with subscribers. Partnerships and affiliates. Delve into the benefits of forming strategic partnerships and leveraging affiliate marketing. Discuss how these relationships can extend a brand's reach, enhance credibility, and drive sales through mutual benefit. Each section can include real-world examples and case studies to illustrate these principles in action. This approach will not only define each principle, but also provide practical insights into their application. How does that sound for a start?
That's very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need more details or have any other topics you'd like to explore, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
And as you can see, we have all of the text available to us inside of our ChatGPT conversation, which we can now copy over into a document based on our interaction. So one way to create voice-to-text is to use ChatGPT in an interaction format and then to leverage that content into a document. Now, if you're willing to use something other than natural language, you can use what is not necessarily a new feature of word processors, but you can dictate into your document. For example, we are now inside of Microsoft Word. And what we can do is we can go to the Home tab. You're going to see an element here that says Dictate. We can click on it, and you'll notice here that what we have is we have an element here that says Dictate. So what we're going to do is we're going to dictate a passage into our Word document. There are 4 fundamental marketing principles. The first is unique selling proposition. The second is upsells and cross-sells. The third is partnerships and affiliates. The fourth is building a subscriber list. So as you can see, one of the things that you can do is you can dictate into your Word document. And even though the process is slightly different than with ChatGPT, you can get your text into a document by speaking into it. You can undertake a similar process in Google Docs. You will then see an element here that says voice typing. We can click on it. We can then click to speak. There are 4 fundamental marketing principles. The first is USP. The second is upsells and cross-sells. The third is list building. And the fourth is partnerships and affiliates. So as you can see, you can also dictate to your document using the free Google Docs system.
You can purchase the entire course by clicking the link in the description below.